Quiz 2.06, Example 4. We are going to complete this paragraph proof. Angle 1 and angle 2 are a linear pair, so they are, linear pairs are supplementary angles. According to the linear pair postulate. Therefore, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2, well, supplementary means sums two angles that sum to 180 degrees. So since linear pairs are supplementary, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180 degrees. That is the definition of the supplementary angles. It is given, so we know it is given. It just tells us up here that the measure of angle 1 equals 56. So this one has to be 56. So 56 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180 degrees. So here we had the measure of angle 1 and we replace it with 56. That's the substitution property of equality. This means that the measure of angle 2 equals 124 degrees. So what they did here is subtract 56 on both sides of this equation, and they can do that because of the subtraction property of equality. So the measure of angle 2 is obtuse by the definition of obtuse angles. The definition of obtuse angles said they are greater than 90 degrees, 124 greater than 90 degrees, the angle is obtuse.